Hello learners, this is Ruchika Sharma, your geography teacher, back with a new video lesson. So let's get started. As we already know, we have covered two chapters of your curriculum. The first one is chapter number 1 in your book, India's Size and Location. And after that, we have also done chapter number 2, Physical Features of India. As I told you in my last video lesson that in this lesson we are going to have only videos of map. We are not going to start a new chapter today. So let's revise total numbers of maps covered in first two chapters. Let me remind you that in chapter 1, India's size and location, we have studied about location and size of India. In terms of location, India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. And if we talk about its size, then the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. Then we had learnt about India's relation with the rest of the world. How many neighboring countries do India have? And even we talk about union territories of India. So this was the revision for chapter 1, India size and location. Now let's start doing its map work. The first map that we are going to do today is of Tropic of Cancer. Actually, Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 north is a line that divides the India into almost two equal parts, and it passes almost through the middle of the country. Blue line in the yellow shaded area indicates Tropic of Cancer. This is the very important topic that we have already learnt about, and one more map regarding this topic we have done in our revision worksheet. Let's go through that too. Now question arises, through how many states does Tropic of Cancer pass? And the map given here highlights all the states. Number of states have been given at the bottom of the map. There are total 8 states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. In the map 2, as the line crosses, each state number has been assigned to it. 1 is Gujarat, on number 2 it's Rajasthan, followed by Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. On number 6 we have West Bengal. Second last on number 7th we have Tripura, and the last one is Mizoram. You have a moment to look at the map and learn the total number of states with their name and location. Now let's talk about latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal line used to know about the climate at any place. On the other hand, longitudes are vertical lines used to calculate time of a place. The mainland of India extends from about 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north latitude, and from about 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east longitudes. Now in the given map, two latitude lines are shown on the top and bottom of the map, that is northernmost and southernmost latitudes, while longitudes are vertical lines on easternmost and westernmost region of the country and is shown in yellow color. I hope you have learned the extensions of mainland of India in terms of latitudes and longitudes. Now, third important map from this chapter is about standard meridian of India. The meridian is used to calculate standard time of the country. Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of Standard Meridian of India, that is 82°30 East, and that is only shown in map with pencil. Here, Standard Meridian passes through the city of Allahabad and runs through the center of the country. In 1905, this was selected as Indian Standard Time. So all students can see there are total 3 lines are given in the map. Yellow lines indicates longitudes and the center line of pencil highlights Standard Meridian of India. Now have a look at neighboring countries of India. There are total 6 countries which share boundary with India. These are Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar and Bangladesh. In the given map, states are being highlighted which share their boundary with Pakistan and China. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir are the states sharing borders with Pakistan. These are shown with brown color shading. Then Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh are highlighted with yellow color, and these are the states which share boundary with China. The given map highlights states that share borders with Bangladesh and Bhutan. Let's go through Bhutan first. Yellow shaded areas indicates states that share boundary with Bhutan, and these are West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Assam. These areas are shaded with yellow color and these lie on the eastern side of India. Orange color shading has been used to highlight the areas or states which share borders with Bangladesh, and these include Assam, West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura. Learners need to learn the states with their location and the countries with whom they are sharing their borders. Now is the map which includes states sharing borders with Nepal and Myanmar. Nepal is shaded with yellow color and surrounding states are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. Blue color shading has been used to highlight these states. Now you can see in the map Myanmar is highlighted in red color and surrounding states have been highlighted in green color. These states include Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram and Manipur. You can have a moment to look at the map and understand it deeper. This is the map of India's subcontinent. That if we talk about India's subcontinent, then these are the countries that are covered in it. You can have a look deeper for 1 minute. You may not have done this map before, but this is a very easy map in which Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka have been shown with different colors with India in the center. So this was all about chapter 1 map work, in which we have covered Tropic of Cancer, Standard Meridian of India, Latitude and Longitude extensions of India, and then neighboring countries of the India. Now let's move to chapter number 2, whose title is Physical Features of India. You all know, due to different soil, rocks, movement of tectonic plates, and the most importantly, breakage of Gondwana landmass, have led to the formation of different physiographic divisions of Earth. And in India, we can find 6 different physiographic features. These are the Himalayan mountains, the peninsular plateaus, the coastal plains, the northern plains, the Indian desert, and the islands. Let's go through each of them. The Himalayas are young fold mountains along the northern boundary of India. This is the highest mountain chain in the world. The Himalayas extend as an arc from the Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east, for a distance of about 2400 km. The width of the Himalaya mountains varies from about 400 km in the Kashmir to about 150 km in the Arunachal Pradesh. In the map, brown shaded area has been used to highlight the Great Himalayas. Moreover, 3 distinct parallel ranges from north to south has also been shown in the map. You can read Shivalik range on the southernmost part of the given brown shaded region. The Shivalik range is also known as the Outer Himalayas or the outermost range of the Himalayas. The width of the Shivalik ranges varies from 10 km to 50 km, and the height varies between 900 meter and 1100 meter above the sea level. The hill stations including Srinagar, Jammu, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Dalhousie, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, etc. are found in the lesser Himalayan mountain ranges, which are less hostile and more friendly to human habitations. The Lesser Himalaya or Himachal is located towards the north of the Shivalik and runs almost parallel to the Himadri region of the Himalayas. The average height of the Himachal ranges is between 3700 meter and 4500 meter above the sea level, and the average width is about 50 km. The northernmost or the innermost range of Himalayas are Himadri. The average height is more than 6000 meter above the sea level, and the average width is about 25 km. There are many mountain peaks which are more than 8000 meter high here, and they remain under permanent snow throughout the year. The highest is Mount Everest with 8850 meter height above the sea level. So this was all about Himalayas highlighted with brown color in the map. The Peninsular Plateau lies towards the south of the northern plains of India. The plateau region looks like a tableland and is composed of old hard igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is one of the oldest landmass on the surface of the earth. The Peninsular Plateau is roughly triangular in shape. The southern edge of the northern plains forms the base of the triangle, and the apex is at Kanyakumari. The Peninsular Plateau is surrounded by hills on all sides. The Aravalli Range in the northwest, the Vindhyans and the Satpura Range in the north with their eastern extensions. The Western Ghats are along the west and the Eastern Ghats are along the eastern side. The Narmada River divides the peninsular plateau region into two parts. The area lying towards the north of the Narmada River is called the Central Highlands, and the area lying towards the south of the Narmada River is called the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands include a major part of the Malwa Plateau region, which is in the northwest. The Central Highlands are bounded by the Aravalli Range in the northwest and the Vindhya Range in the south. This triangular landmass lies towards the south of the Narmada River. The triangular landmass that I am referring to is the Deccan Plateau. The Satpura Range forms the northern base with the Mahadev, the Kaimur and the Maikala Range forming the eastern extension. The Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats form the western and the eastern sides of the Deccan Plateau respectively. The height of the plateau varies from about 900 meters in the west to about 300 meters in the east. Except these two physiographic divisions, now is the map that includes almost all the physiographic divisions of India. All the 6 are being highlighted in the given map. Starting from the top, brown shaded region is the Himalayas that we have already done in deep. Followed by the Himalayas, the green region on which the Indo-Gangetic Plate has been written indicates the northern plain. The northern plains of India are located towards the south of the Himalaya mountains and to the north of the peninsular India. This is a depositional plain formed by the alluvial deposits brought down by the Indus, Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers. This is the largest alluvial tract in the world and stretches for about 2400 km from west to east. Its width varies between 240 km and 320 km. This region can be broadly divided into 3 main regions: the Punjab Plain, the Ganga Plain and the Brahmaputra Plain. This was all about green shaded northern plains of India shown in the map, after which the peninsular plateau has been shown in yellow color. The detailed understanding of this has already been done initially in previous maps. Light brown shaded area on the very left side on which Thar Desert has been written indicates the Great Indian Desert. The desert covers Rajasthan and the adjoining areas of Pakistan. The total area under the desert in India, that is the Thar Desert, is about 1.75 lakh square kilometer. About 2/3 of the Indian desert is in Rajasthan, west of the Aravalli Range, and the rest of it is in Haryana, Punjab and Gujarat. Now let's talk about the coastal plains, which are shaded over near eastern and western Ghats. The coastal plain is a narrow strip of land along the Arabian Sea towards the west and along the Bay of Bengal towards the east. It extends for a distance of about 6,000 km from the Run of Kutch in the west up to the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta in the east. The area between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea coast is the Western Coastal Plain, and the area between the Eastern Ghats and the coast of Bay of Bengal is called the Eastern Coastal Plain. These two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Now let's talk about water bodies near India, that is the islands. Island is the land surrounded with water from all sides. There are two island groups of India found in the Indian Ocean away from the coast of India. These are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. The Lakshadweep group of islands is located in the Arabian Sea and is close to the Malabar coast of the Kerala state. It includes 36 islands, out of which only 11 are inhabited. On the other hand, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is located in the Bay of Bengal. The group extends from about 6° north to 40° north latitudes and from about 90° east to 94° east longitudes. The chain has two distinct groups of islands, the Andaman group and the Nicobar group. The Andaman group is in the north and the Nicobar group is towards the south. The extreme southernmost point is Indira Gandhi. So students, these were the total number of maps covered in Chapter 2 Physical Features of India. As you all can understand that we have covered 2 chapters of the curriculum, in my next video lesson we are going to start next chapter of your curriculum. Till then, keep revising, keep learning and keep doing hard work. My good wishes are always with you. Thank you so much.